So hello and welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malathia, the pediatric dentist and assistant professor in College of Dental Sciences. So aspirant, today we are going to review or analyze the NEET MDS 2020-2021 paper. First of all, I want to thank all my dear students for providing me all the info and their points regarding the paper. And once again, I am telling you that I am very happy to hear from all of you that the MCQ discussion, paper discussion, lecture notes and lectures were very helpful for the examination. Hope the same reflect in the result also. So let's start with today's video. So why I am doing this analysis aspirant? Mainly for the new students. Why? Because there is a myth which is told by many YouTube channels and many of our seniors that do the past papers and only MCQ. That's a pulse is more than enough, but this is wrong aspirant. Nowadays the NEET MDS paper pattern has been completely changed. They're asking case-based question, image-based question, true and false, assertion, reason, match the following. So you have to keep on reading. You have to keep the balance between the MCQ also as well as your theory aspect. That's why just mere reading the past papers, medical papers or just doing the MCQ book will not going to help you. So this myth you have to, you have to be against this myth, then only will get the success in NEET MDS, because this exam is going to challenge each and every aspect of your knowledge. Now about the part A and part B. Part A was very tough. Every student was telling why part A was tough, because you people don't have habit of reading physiology, pharmacology and medicine in interrelated manner. Our academy, we do same thing. We teach system, let's say GIT is there, or physiology, pharmacology, medicine. So that helps the student. You can relate this point in case-based question. So that's why the part A was tough for few students and part B was easy, because you can relate anatomy of the dental anatomy, pediatric dentistry, trauma. You can relate and you can answer it. Okay, so you have to focus on part A as well as part B. Then result announcement. So on 31st December, you are going to get your merit list. So wait till 15 days, don't get panic, think positive and depend or rest on God that whatever you have done, the best will come out. Now experience, this time the case-based and image-based questions were so much. Now what to do for that? For that you have to keep on reading proper textbook, proper theory. You should know each and everything of the subject. Then you can easily answer the case-based and image-based question. Then many of you are asking me regarding the cutoff. So let's see the 2019 cutoff. For journal it was 250. The same was 220 for in 2020. For OBC, SC, ST it is 215 in 2019 and around 188 in 2020. So these are also we expecting near same only, because the paper difficulty level was like past year only. Okay aspirants, and one important announcement that we are going to start from January 6 our new batch. But from December 22 to December 30 we are providing the 5 complimentary lecture to all the students. To join you can DM me, information is there in description box. In this complimentary lectures we are going to discuss that the situation has changed, so you have to change your study pattern also. Second, we are going to discuss that how you have to plan your NEET MDS, what all you have to study. And third, I am going to tell you that how my academy function, how you are conducting lectures, MCQ discussion, paper, everything. And the last lectures will be of the clinicals and basics. I am going to release the important points that help you to kickstart your NEET 2021 preparation. Okay aspirants, so to join you can tell me. Till then, take care, work hard, and please you should focus on right now only the best time to start your preparation. Thank you all.